In the insurance and wealth management industries, reaching out to existing customers or finding new customers requires new methods to interact with the existing client base and create new opportunities. With Microsoft Marketing and the Dynamics 365 customer engagement platform, you can leverage your data and easily target the right audience. My name is Don Surma, Senior CRM Consultant with Logan Consulting, and in this video we will take a look at an example of how to create a segment within Microsoft Marketing that can pinpoint the audience we want to reach out to. Microsoft Marketing is a module on the Dynamics Customer Engagement platform. It utilizes all of the same data that currently exists in Dynamics CRM. No importing, connecting, or sync errors. So the contacts that you see here are the same contacts that are used across the system. Creating a segment in Microsoft Marketing is the first step in creating a customer journey, or what we might call a marketing campaign. A segment defines the contacts that we want to target for our customer journey. If you are familiar with marketing lists in CRM or have used it in other marketing products, segments are basically the same concept as a marketing list, but much more robust. One of the great things about Microsoft Marketing is that we can target contacts using related data. Perhaps we want to see all contacts with a net worth of $1 million or more, or all clients that have a life insurance policy in force with, let's say, a value of $500,000 or more. Let's take a quick look at how we actually do this in Microsoft Marketing. So if we want to go to segments, and we will create a new segment, and we're going to use a dynamic segment, meaning that data will automatically update in the system. When we first start off, it'll bring up the screen that'll show us segment templates that are available out of the box in Microsoft Marketing. But for now, we're going to skip over this. So the first thing we want to do is give it a name, and we'll just call this policies. And we're going to add a query block. So you notice we're starting off with a contact. All query blocks start off with a contact. Everything has to relate back to a contact. And we're going to select and add a related entity. And in this case, the related entity, and there's a number of them, is going to be policy. And now we're going to add some attributes that we're going to filter this on. So we want to look at policy type. And the policy type in this example is going to be whole life. And we're going to add another condition here. And we're going to say the policy value. And instead of saying is equal to, we're going to say is more than or equal to, and I'm going to put in a value of 500,000. Now, we can save this, and once we go live on it, we'll be able to open this up and look at the members. The segment will evaluate our conditions and then generate a list of members. So let's look at our members. It's evaluating it, and there's our list. So the list comes back with 83 contacts that meet that criteria. They have a whole life policy that's a value of $500,000 or more. So this is our segment. Segment's now ready for use in our customer journey or marketing campaign. And this is one example of creating a segment, but imagine the possibilities. You can create a segment targeting just about any information like age, policy types, zip code, household income, net worth, and more. Begin your digital transformation today. Contact us at Logan Consulting to discuss Microsoft Dynamics 365 marketing and the entire line of Dynamics 365 customer engagement applications.